Whoa there. Slow your roll for this push, picking up steam at home challenge. All right, so this challenge is all about slowing your roll. Or maybe not your roll, but something's roll. I was thinking about some cool, fun things to do. And it occurred to me that sometimes people build things to try and make things faster or go higher or farther. But does anyone try and decrease those things? So I started thinking about things around my house I have that can roll. I've got things like high bouncy balls, and I'm certain there's a tennis ball or softball someplace here in this house, but you know, this high bouncy ball is pretty disposable. I've got things like toilet paper tubes, those roll. And I've got things like this plastic jar. So this push challenge is, can you take something that rolls and can you slow the roll down? What we're going to do is we're going to build a slight ramp. I'm going to use this box top on some books, and I'm going to first roll my item down it, and then I'll make modifications to that rolling object and see if I can slow it down. So check out my test here. Then, after you know how fast your object rolls, then make modifications. Do I want to add stuff to it? Do I want to take things off? Consider the object that you're changing. If it's something like a toilet paper tube, it's probably yours to change forever. But if it's your little brother's favorite high bouncy ball, use caution and make certain you don't do anything permanent. Get permission, but add, subtract, do anything, and make lots of tests. I can't wait to see what you discover. Don't forget to tweet or email me with what you discover. Thanks for coming in for this Slow Your Roll, Push, Picking Up Steam at Home challenge.